Hey everybody, Lady Cheryl here. I'm at my dialysis center, as you can see right there, having a treatment. And the reason why I'm making this video is because we're going to have a deep freeze in my area beginning Saturday morning. The low temperature is supposed to drop all the way down to 10 degrees Fahrenheit. And it is supposed to stay below freezing for 60 hours. Okay, guys, it is 52 degrees. I'm gonna get some of these greens. As you can see, I pulled up some cabbages and a few collards, and I created enough room that I could put these mums here because I don't want them to die all the way back. And you can see I left the cauliflower to continue to grow. And I think that's about it because broccoli, cabbage, and cauliflower don't do well when it's below 20 degrees. But the collards over there and let's see, where the other one's at? Right over here. And over here by the green stalks, I have more collards. They can take a 0-degree temperature. But now, I'm gonna get out over here and then I'll start covering the beds after I water them. Okay, let me show you what I took out the second bed. Mostly all of the greens that was over here. Broccoli, I made enough space so I could put my strawberries in there. And you see I left the kale and allow the collards because like I said, it can take down to 0 degrees. Aren't these beautiful? Just gorgeous. This is what I harvested. Some of the cabbages are small, but that's okay. It's going to eat real good. Some of the broccoli is small. Again, that's okay. I cook all of this together except the broccoli heads. I'll cook them separately, but I'll mix up those extra leaves of the broccoli and the cabbage with my collard greens. Let me show you something. See right here? These are tulips and daffodils. It's been so unseasonably warm this winter that they started coming up. I'm gonna pull these weeds out of here and I will cover these up and I'll put the covers on the green stalks as well. Okay, but this looks pretty good. I'm gonna water everything and I'll come back. I got 4 containers of strawberries over here in this bed. And then over in this bed, I have 2 more in the mums. Because the strawberries and the mums can't take down to 0. But I'm happy about what I did. I'm running out of breath because I just came home from dialysis and I'm not going to overwork myself. I'm going to take a little break and then I'm going to come back and cover. I'm going to show you how you can use frost cloths and 6 mil greenhouse plastic, and you're going to be able to warm your beds by at least 15 degrees. Here's another close-up of all the greens that my daughter and I are going to cook on Saturday. I'm going to put them in this garbage bag, and they would stay in the garage until we start cooking them Saturday morning. This is what I'm going to cook. I had some friends to come over and pick up some greens. And yeah, so we were able to bless some other people. Guys, I took a little break and I decided to come back out and wrap this up today so I won't have to do anything tomorrow and I can rest and go to dialysis. And I originally shot this vertical because I was going to make a short video and then it was just too much to put in one video. And I decided, let me go ahead and knock this out because I have a lot of young gardeners that are gardening for the first time that are following me. And some of them live in my area. And since 60% of the nation is going to be in this deep freeze, I thought I'll go ahead and finish the video and put it out as early as I can, which will be tonight or tomorrow morning. So now I have my frost cloths. I'm getting ready to drape it over here. It took me less than 5 minutes to cover these frost cloths. And you know why? Because I had them already attached to the sides. Now I'm going to get the 6 mil greenhouse plastic. If you don't have any frost cloths, use sheets, blankets, whatever. But whatever you do, don't let plastic come in direct contact with your crops because it will burn them. I got the green stalks covered with their manufacturer's cover, but before I put that plastic cover on, guys, I want you to see I draped a frost cloth around the top of it. Okay guys, this is my 6 mil greenhouse plastic. It's real thick. It's old. I've been using it for several years. And for the record, I want you to know that this plastic, one layer of it, will keep your garden beds between 5 and 10 degrees warmer. And remember, I have the frost cloths on here first. And now I'm going to double the plastic. So that's why I'm confident, because I've been doing it for years, that these crops are going to be fine. I'll come back when I'm all done. Okay guys, that's it for today. As you can see, I put some plant stands on top of the garden bed, and I still have more 6 mil greenhouse plastic. I may come out tomorrow morning and put it on. And I did the same thing over here. Looking good, because we never know what's going to happen with this snowstorm, with ice and snow expected. I hope you enjoyed this video. I rushed to get it out because people are following me, and I don't want anybody's crops to freeze, especially those that told me that when I do something, they were going to do it too. Okay, everybody, please subscribe if you're new to my channel. You know that I love you, and God loves you too. Bye now.